Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the acid bases and salts of the class 8 chapter 2. We know that it is one of the very important chapter and the second chapter of the chemistry, and already acid bases we have an idea about this acid bases salt in class 7, and it is taught. And now we should know that what are the acid bases and salt. Acid bases and the salts are the all the compounds, means the compounds according to their property, on the basis of their properties they are divided into three parts, that is acid, bases and salts. Again speaking, the compounds are or the substances are on the basis of their properties are divided into three types: acids, bases and salts. So see, today in this video we are going to talk about the acids and bases, and let us see what are the acids. So see, first, compounds are divided into acids, bases and salts. Okay friends, all the compounds are on the basis of their properties are divided into three categories called acids, bases and salt. We can cite example of acid, bases, salt. We can say hydrochloric acid, we can say sulfuric acid, we can say nitric acid. These are the acids. In case of bases, we can write caustic soda, caustic potash, sodium bicarbonate, and in case of this salt we can write, very important is your sodium chloride, one is magnesium chloride, calcium chloride. These are the salts. So okay friends, all the compounds on the basis of their properties are divided into three broad categories. They are called acids, bases and substance, and these are the examples of acid, bases. Let us discuss what is acid and their properties of acids, then bases, what are the properties of bases. Let us see. Acids. Number one, acids. Friends, acids are the substances which produces H plus ions in their aqueous solutions. We know that in previous classes, in our 7th class, we know that acids are the substance test sore. But in this case, we are going to define the acids. Acids are the substances which produce H plus ions. Okay, friends. So in their aqueous solutions, means when they are dissolved in water, they produces the H plus ion or hydrogen ions. So see, and if they are producing more and more hydrogens, and they will be more stronger. If they are producing less, then they will be somewhat less stronger or weak acids, we can say. And acids are divided into two parts. Let us see what. The substances or compounds which produce H plus ions in their aqueous solution. So acids are the substances or compounds which produces H plus ions in their aqueous solution. Example is your what? Example we can say, as we have defined, HCl, H2SO4, CH3COOH, acetic acid we can say. So these are the acids. Okay friends, these are the acids. Let us see their types of acids. On the basis of their origin, acids are divided in two types. Acids, number one, organic acids. acids are divided in two types, that is organic acids, inorganic acids, otherwise called as mineral acids. Organic acids are the acids which are produced from the living substance or living organism, that is plants and animals. We can say formic acid, HCOOH, acetic acid, CH3COOH, oxalic acid, COOH, that is, these are the organic acids. And in case of mineral acids, there we can say HCl, we can say H2SO4, we can say HNO3, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These are the called what? Minerals. So again speaking, acids are divided in two types, and that is called organic acids, and which are produced from the living substances, and inorganic acids, otherwise called the mineral acids, which are produced from the laboratory, in the laboratories, from the chemicals. So see, let us find the properties of acids. Number one, properties of acids. So number one, we can say physical properties. They are sour in taste, they are corrosive in nature, corrosive, they turn blue litmus to red, they produce H plus ions. Okay, and these are the properties of acids, and they also produce what? Hydrogen gas. So these are the properties of acids. Let us find the see the chemical properties of acids. Chemical properties of acids. So number one, chemical properties, we are going to study reactions of acids with other substance. Number one, we can say नंबर वन हम देखेंगे रिएक्शन विथ मेटल्स. Reaction with the metals. So we can say metals reacts with acid producing hydrogen gas and salt. So we can write metals, otherwise you can say acids plus metals equal to salt plus hydrogen gas. Example, we can say HCl when reacts with this metal sodium, we can say sodium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So metals reacts with acids producing hydrogen gas. Now we are going to discuss about the reaction of acids. Reaction of acids with metal carbonates. The second one is reaction of acids with metal carbonates. We know that acids reacts with metal carbonates producing salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide. So see, let us see examples. You can say sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, giving rise to sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. To see, sodium we can multiply here 2, here multiply 2. To see what happens, 2 NaCl, HCl, carbon dioxide gas plus water. Okay friends, reaction with the acids, reaction of acids with metal carbonates. Next one is number 3, reaction with metal bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. So see what happens, we can write acid plus metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate equal to salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas plus carbon dioxide. Okay friends, so reaction of acids with metal bicarbonates, acids reacts with metal bicarbonates producing salt, water and what, carbon dioxide gas. Let us see what happens. We can write example, HCl plus sodium hydrogen carbonate, it gives rise to sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Now see what, NaCl balance H2 CO2 balance sticks. So acids reacts with the metal bicarbonates producing water, salt and carbon dioxide. Let us see other reactions. Number 4, reaction with bases. So friends, we have known that it is a very familiar reaction in which acids reacts with bases producing salt and water, and that reaction is called neutralization reaction. We have already been taught in class 7. Again we are going to study this one. So reaction of bases with acids means this is a neutralization reaction, because the acid bases neutralize each other, H plus ion OH minus then get neutralized producing salt and water. So see, so acids plus base equal salt plus water. We can say example, caustic soda reacts with HCl producing what, sodium chloride, the common salt plus what, water. So see, sodium hydroxide reacts with HCl producing NaCl plus water. This is called neutralization reaction. This is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Next comes to number 5, reaction with metal oxides. In this 5th reaction we are going to learn about reaction of acids with metal oxides. So acids react acids reacts with metal oxide producing salt and water. As for example, we can say when HCl reacts with calcium oxide, it gives rise to calcium chloride plus water. Let us balance it. Cl to 2, calcium chloride, H2O, now balanced. So metals oxide reacts with acids producing what? Calcium chloride or metallic salt plus water. So these are the different type of reactions of acids or the chemical properties of acids. Now dear friends, in this case one thing is to discuss here, the carbon dioxide gas produced in this process, the carbon dioxide gas which is produced in this process, which is allowed to pass through the lime water, it gets reactant to produce calcium carbonate. Let us see what happens.